Left the food bowl out overnight. Clark squirrel's hanging out. Whiskers is in the back. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. I have an appointment to go to, so how close can I get? I don't have any food. I'll bring food out later, guys. There we have Whiskers. There we have Clark. And the water bowl's empty, so yeah, I know. Turn that thing over and fill it up. He's trying. He's waiting in the background. Oh, he's letting me get close. Yeah, I see you. He's like waiting. How close can I get? How close will you let me get to you? Can I sit? Will you let me sit?